Today we'll make and drink a mango daiquiri featuring the new Chinola Mango Liqueur. And this entire video is sponsored by Chinola, but no one really needed to twist my arm for this one. I love Chinola. The original passion fruit liqueur is as good, if not the best liqueur of any kind that I've ever had for capturing the essence of the main ingredient. And in that case, we're talking about passion fruit. The new mango also manages to really grab that pure mango flavor. Now for me, mango is one of my least favorite raw fruits to work with. Like, how do you cut a mango? I don't know, I've watched so many YouTube videos on how to do it, I still don't know how. Mango syrups can be hit and miss, and how do you tell if a mango is ripe? I don't know. So having a shelf-stable liqueur that has the real mango flavor is huge for me. While Chinola passion fruit might be newer to those of us in the United States, it's been around since 2014, but mango is their very first new product. It's made from 100% fresh mangoes with 3 different types of mangoes and a touch of that passion fruit. Chinola is estate-grown and handcrafted in the Dominican Republic and has no artificial colors or flavorings. You can pick up a bottle of Chinola Mango Liqueur at Chinola.com, and if you use the code MAKE10, you'll get $10 off of your order. And when it comes to something new, no cocktail is better at showcasing that ingredient than the daiquiri. So let's make the Chinola Mango Daiquiri, and for this one, you'll need simple syrup, lime juice, a light rum, and Chinola Mango Liqueur. So let's get started, and we're gonna make this one in our small shaker tin with ½ an ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 ounces of lime juice, 1 ounce of a light rum, and 1 ounce of Chinola Mango Liqueur. I'm gonna serve this in a coupe. And I'm gonna garnish this with a lime wheel. There you go, the Chinola Mango Daiquiri. All right, let's try it. Now this might sound obvious, but when you're sipping on Chinola Mango on its own, it's way more robust. The mango flavor is just like real in your face because that's, the main thing that you're tasting. But when you mix it in a cocktail like a daiquiri, and in this exact cocktail just has like the perfect amount of mango, you can still taste that white rum. Use your favorite white or light rum here, but something that does have some flavor that can hold up against the mango liqueur, and then you're still getting your lime juice and the acidity and that little pop of acidity from the Chinola Mango, because they add just a little bit of that passion fruit in there, so you can taste it. So if you're looking for an easy way to incorporate mango into more cocktails and you want something that is delicious and shelf stable, then Chinola Mango Liqueur, there's nothing that you're gonna find that's better than that. And don't forget, if you wanna pick up a bottle, go to Chinola.com, use the code MAKE10 and you'll get $10 off your first order. So that is it for this one. I'm Derek, this is Make and Drink. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to this channel. Otherwise, see you on the next one.